this is what Rihanna's house looks like.
Oh, yeah.
1 Sandy Lane.
Gotta say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love you. I love you. Goddamn, I love you. I love you.
We are approaching Rihanna Drive.
You can do it now. You see the sign straight ahead there?
Where's the sign?
Right there, straight ahead.
I can't get the sign. Right there.
I can park so we can get it and come back. Whoa! Yeah, so I can park here.
So here is always busy?
Yeah, man.
Our first stop is Rihanna's childhood home located on Rihanna Drive. There's an entire plaque at the beginning of the street dedicated toward Rihanna's life and honoring her legacy. She's been deemed a national hero of Barbados.
Happy birthday, Rihanna!
Excuse my face, y'all. I don't know if y'all realize this, but my grandma is my cameraman. So shortly we will be at her house. Y'all, as I'm walking up to Rihanna's childhood home, let me tell you, this street is never quiet. It's packed with cars coming and going, people from all around the world stopping to take pictures, tour buses pulling up. It's a whole scene. This isn't just some regular house anymore. It's a landmark. We only had about 15 minutes to stop here, so I made sure to get as much footage as I possibly could on my camera. Every angle, every shot. I did not want to miss a thing. It was a quick stop, but I wasn't leaving without capturing the full experience before we continued the rest of our tour for the day. I just have to show y'all how much my grandma loves Rihanna. She's completely obsessed. That's her right there, striking a pose like she's on an album cover. She was so excited to be here. She is literally one of the main reasons why we stopped at Rihanna's home as part of our tour. We are at Rihanna's house. I don't know what this taxi's doing, but this is what it looks like. They have a little plaque on the front of her yard, you would say. Sonia Villa or Ville. They turned it into an Airbnb, but it is a tourist attraction. It's really nice. Humble beginnings, and they do honor Rihanna a lot on this entire road and in the country. She's a national hero. And coincidentally, it so happens to be her birthday today. What are the odds? But it's a really nice house. Humble beginnings. After we all got our final pictures and videos in front of the house, we headed back to the tour bus, and even that was a task. The road is constantly packed with tourists and cars. People are always coming and going just to catch a glimpse of Rihanna's house. It was hectic even trying to leave. The energy on this street never dies down. Now, her childhood home and 1 Sandy Lane are about 15 minutes apart. We spent this time enjoying the scenery and figuring out what we were going to eat for lunch. And Chico Rico, who is our tour host, also drove past St. Peter's Bay, which he alerted us used to be Rihanna's home when she first got famous. We made a few pit stops along the way. We made sure to stop by this Rastafarian man and pick up some amazing, delicious coconuts. Because what's a drive in Barbados without soaking up some local vibes? Everyone else got their coconut water cold. He had some already bottled up in his cooler, but I do not do anything too cold. Thank you. So I made sure he gave me my water straight from coconut. Also headed over to Fisherman's Pub for lunch. So this was about a 2-hour detour in our 15-minute journey down the street.
I think I tried it. It's good.
Oh. After leaving Fisherman's Pub, we finally arrived at 1 Sandy Lane. Not to be confused with Sandy Lane Hotel across the street. 1 Sandy Lane is where Rihanna currently lives while she's in Barbados, and it's luxury on another level. Gated, private, oceanfront, it's giving billionaire. You can't see much past the entrance, but just being near it, knowing that someone came from a small home on Rihanna Drive to living here is crazy. It gives you chills. Thanks for coming along with me today from Rihanna Drive to 1 Sandy Lane and all the little stops in between. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you watch the full vlog if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!